You ever hear something so weird you're like, there's no way that's real history? Like, did that really happen? Or did someone spike my coffee this morning? Well, buckle up because today I'm dropping some absolutely unhinged facts from the real world. These aren't jokes, they're 100% true and 100% ridiculous. So if you like your history with a side of wait what, you're in the right place, let's go! You guys, we gotta talk about Bryn. Bryn the Pitbull. Why is she important? Oh, just because she was elected mayor. Of Cormorant, Minnesota to be exact. This wasn't some online joke, people. This good girl won a fair and square election. Well, as fair and square as an election where the candidates are all adorable animals can be. And the best part? Zero scandals during her term. Take notes, Washington. Okay, picture this. It's the Olympics, the roar of the crowd is deafening, the athletes are pumped, and completely naked. Yep, you heard that right. Back in ancient Greece, they weren't worried about Nike sponsorships or high-tech swimsuits. They were all about that all-natural athleticism. Can you imagine Usain Bolt just blazing down the track, birthday suit flapping in the wind? Talk about a photo finish. Alright, gather round for some real X-Files stuff. In 1977, a TV broadcast in the UK got interrupted. Not by a technical difficulty, but by an alien. Well, allegedly. A mysterious voice claiming to be from the Ashtar Galactic Command took over the airwaves for a solid 6 minutes talking about peace and whatnot. To this day, no one knows who did it. Coincidence? Government cover-up? Or maybe, just maybe, aliens were trying to get some primetime exposure. You know, gotta build that intergalactic influencer status. Okay folks, back in the Victorian era they were really into facial hair. And I mean really into it. But get this, some folks believed that mustaches could actually filter out germs. That's right, your granddad's handlebar mustache? Basically a DIY N95 mask, imagine that today. Sir, you can't come in here without a full-grown walrus mustache, it's for your safety. You think modern medicine is weird? Hold my beer, or rather, hold my whiskey-infused bear fat. Back in the 1800s, this concoction was considered a cure for pretty much everything. Got a cold? Bear fat shot? Sprained your ankle? Rub some bear fat on it. Existential dread? You guessed it, more bear fat. I don't know about you, but I'd rather just have the sniffles than be greasy and buzzed all the time. Before he was President Lincoln, he was Bartender Abe? Yep, you heard that right. Honest Abe used to sling drinks back in the day. He even co-owned a saloon called Barry and Lincoln. I guess you could say he was mixing up more than just cocktails. He was mixing up the future of America. Talk about founding flavor, am I right? So there you have it, folks. Proof that history is way weirder and funnier than any textbook will ever tell you. Who knew the past could be so full of surprises? Keep those history books open and your eyes peeled, because you never know what crazy tidbits you might find lurking in the annals of time.